Introducing the brand new Bobcat B900 backhoe loader. A durable, reliable, and an efficient backhoe loader launched by the global compact equipment leader, Bobcat. Hoses are well protected with guides for increased durability, while the arm cylinder hoses are provided with armored protection. Other hoses are protected with nylon sleeves. The hydraulic distribution box improves the durability of hoses by reducing the hose length and instances of hose rubbing. The hydraulic circuit is leak protected with ORFS fittings. This provides increased durability and high machine uptime. The cushion cylinders installed for the boom and swing reduce noise and vibration and assure long life of cylinder and structures. The efficient cooling system design. This allows working long hours without overheating issues and the long life of components for improved durability. Stabilizer inner tube is made with electrical resistance welding process. The B900 backhoe loader structures have been fabricated in-house to ensure high quality. Robotic welding and reinforced design bring in reliability and durability. B900 backhoe loader is painted through an advanced 3-stage process. It undergoes a stringent DFT and gloss test to ensure the paint glossiness and life is intact. The machine comes fitted with the standard 16.9 by 28 size industrial tire. However, heavy-duty tires are available as an option for rough terrains. Bobcat B900 backhoe loader. The next big thing by Bobcat.